Hey guys, just got in a 2021 Cherokee 324 TS. We'll take a quick look at it. This is a 36-foot box, right at 40 feet total length from the tongue to the bumper. Got your outdoor bar and grill, gas connections, ice maker, fridge and freezer, as well as some cabinetry. It's got your outdoor speakers, a TV mount, LED lighting on the awning. Of course, the stable steps. Two propane bottles, battery, and a battery box. This unit does have 3 slides. Outdoor shower. It's got your flip down travel rack. As well as the backup camera already installed. It's got a drawer for your cooking utensils. There's your 2-burner grill, ice maker, cabinets, and fridge. Outdoor speakers and indoor speakers do have the blue LED lighting. Take a quick look inside. Inside you got a really nice super slide with the U-shaped dinette and the jackknife sleeper sofa. It does have the zebra blackout blinds, LED lighting. Here's your Cherokee control panel, and with this control panel, it has the ability to download the app on your phone. You can do a lot of the functions for the camper on your phone on the app. 3-burner cooktop oven, really nice faucet, soap dispenser, and a black stainless steel farm style sink. In the kitchen you've got the glass flush mount top over the burners. Really nice touch here with the removable cutting board. Of course, got your fridge and freezer, black stainless steel. 10 cubic feet. This unit does have 2 AC systems. Driven audio system with indoor and outdoor speakers, as well as a 200 watt 8-inch sub here in the roof ceiling. This camper will sleep up to 10 people. Got your pantry here. The bunk suite in the back is nice and large. You've got an overhead bunk with the ladder. Some storage there for wardrobe. There's your 110 outlet and TV hookup. On the opposite wall in the slide, you've got a jackknife sleeper sofa as well as an overhead bunk. And this does store in an up position. Master bedroom, you've got queen size bed. There are USB charging ports throughout this whole camper next to all the sleeping or sitting areas. Have your wardrobe closet here. Large wardrobe closet and washer and dryer hookups. Built-in dresser with 6 drawers and overhead. This camper weighs just under 8,900 pounds. Come see us at Dalton RV, 706-529-3300.